Okay, so today we're going to make a stitch layered vinyl, and we're going to go ahead and place this stitch right in the corner, and you want to place it on a sticky surface, that way it stays on there. I'm going to use regular contact paper, and the reason we use contact paper is because contact paper is not as sticky and it won't stick all the pieces that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and start layering right now. We're going to layer the first layer, which is going to be the blue part of the stitch. I'm going to use my scraper. I'm going to put it on there, peel it off. See how it doesn't stick as well? But that's okay, because that's what we want. We don't want it to stick as well, because then it won't come off in order for us to do the layers that we need. So let's go ahead and have it all come off. And if the layers don't stick as well, you just kind of gotta get really close to it and make it stick on there. Make sure we don't leave any behind. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it on here. Make sure you line it up where you need it to be. Then we're gonna place it down, scrape it on there. Then we're going to peel this off. And see how it's not as sticky, which is perfect because that's what we want. Then we're going to go to the next layer, which is going to be the body. I'm going to go ahead and stick that on there. This one might be a little bit harder since it's holographic. It might not want to stick as well on there, but we will try our best to stick it onto this contact paper. There it goes, stuck on the contact paper. Let's go ahead and put it on here. All right, let's go ahead and place it on there. Knocking everything down. I'm gonna take it off. Then we can do his nose next. Let me find his nose. I think it actually goes like this. His nose came off really easy. Go ahead and put his nose on him. His nose is on. Then we'll go ahead and do his ears. Let's put his ears on here. They're holographic, so it's going to be a little bit harder to put on, but we'll get them on. And so let's peel the contact paper. We're going to go ahead and put these ears on. Let me line them up. Contact paper, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do his eyes next. The whites of his eyes. This should go on fairly easily. Of course it didn't. Let's go ahead and put those on there. Sometimes it takes a minute to get on the contact paper because the contact paper is not as sticky. But let's go ahead and do that. Let's put his little eyes on him. Let's put them on. So his eyes are on. Then we're going to want to go ahead and put the outside of his mouth first. So we'll go ahead and do those. Let's put the outside of his mouth on there. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Alrighty. There's the outside of his mouth. And then I printed this separately, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. I should have attached it, but I didn't, so we'll put it on there. Let's go ahead and put this at the top of his mouth. It's going to go right there. Place that on there. And then we'll go ahead and put his mouth, his tongue, sorry. Let's go ahead. It's not going to stick very well because it's holographic, but we'll get it on there. Let's see the holographic. There it is. Let's go ahead and put that right there. Alrighty. Should go on there nicely. Then we're going to do his teeth. Let's go ahead and do his little teeth. I know we have a little bit of a hard time. Burnish this a little bit more. And that picked it up a little bit better. Do that one a little bit more. Okay, that's okay. Just lift it off and we'll peel it. Let's see, we'll peel it on here. See if we can get it to peel off. It's okay if it doesn't want to. We'll eventually get it. There we go. Let's go ahead and place his little teeth where they go. And if they don't line up, you can place one tooth at a time. Place that one where it goes, put it on there. Place the next one where it goes. Put it on there. Then we'll place these last two on top. We'll place that one first. And then we'll place this last one. And there you have it. Let's go ahead and place down our contact paper so we could reuse that. But I'm going to bring that up. And there we have our layered stitch. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to place it on real quick. I'm going to use this Tech Wrap transfer tape, and I love it because it has grid lines. And it's really, really nice tack because it actually holds really well with the glitter, with the holographic, and with very minimal burnishing that you have to do on here. You just kind of burnish it a little bit, and it's all going to stick on here. You're going to go ahead and peel off. And you can see the black that was our end color on there. I might need to burnish a little bit more on some pieces. But there you have it. And then you're going to use it, the grid lines, in order to line yourself up. I'm going to go ahead and line up stitch exactly where I want them. Go ahead and place them on there. Then I'm going to burnish on here to make sure that all the pieces stay exactly where I want them. And then we're going to go ahead and peel it off. And if it doesn't stick, all we do is peel back and burnish again. But it looks like all the pieces are staying on there. So you just got to keep peeling off. Oop, those little fingers are coming off on this side. So I just got to go back, burnish a little bit more, and get them to stay. And then you keep going. You peel it off. And there it is. Her stitch is all done on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of heat, which is what I usually do, in order for it to adhere a lot better. Thank you.